My client was appointed as an assistant primary teacher at the jurisdiction of the district primary school council. He was arrested 11/5/2022 and was released on charges. The public money he collected as an agent, or like this 8 FIR. Presume what state says before the higher authority, that is the gospel truth. FIR is there, for which for 11/6/1/2023 till date petitioner has not been given a subsistence allowance. The reason being the reason is a unique case. Your lordship many a times ask its own conscience. Today 2 years have passed. This honorable court directed the authority council to place report. I'm not aware of any such report. Mr. Bhattacharya, my learned esteemed friend, his client, Mr. Bhattacharya, my learned esteemed friend, he has come up with a writ petition, also an application for addition of party. My junior says, addition of party has not been served upon us, be that as it may.
Who has written this for added party? You have not.
No, kindly, only. With investor protection right is there, that if I have collected the money from the different investors, they said,
investors or the person with the job aspirants.
No, this is not that.
It is just like
this is
financial institution.
Financial, NB, non-banking financial.
Now, I am first of all.
Cheat funds.
There is no morsel of proof.
Yes. He's accused. 8 FIRs are there.
I tell your lordship, if your lordship wants to believe,
what is teacher profession is a camouflage to collect the
many.
That's why
kindly cease, I hope, I know, that your lordship will look into the law.
No, of course, I look into the facts. Cannot be.
No.
Divorced fact, law cannot stand.
Fact. The fact means whether your lordship has been confronted at any point of time that these FIRs show that I represented a financial non-banking institution and I collected the money on their behalf. And these are the criminal cases are pending. 8 FIRs there. Question is anything for which whether law comments that even if all facts are assuming to be true, assuming not admitting are true, even then employee whether he can be deprived of substance allowance for 2 years. No disciplinary proceeding. এটাই তো ছাড় না এখন সরকার যা বলবে তাই হবে government no Millard.
24 Parganas South.
Yes, for 2 years I have to wait in this court only in order to prove that even if I'm a criminal, so long as I am in employment, an employee has a right to substance. For this 2 years.
Why you have not initiated?
No employment certificate. I have given them this employment, no employment certificate. Even then, this is the cruel indifference on the part of this employer.
My lord, criminal case is pending against him.
Don't play the same record every time. Criminal case is pending. Public money is being dealt with. But if you think that there must be a proceeding should be initiated, disciplinary proceeding must be initiated. Why have not?
On the self-same allegation, my lord, the criminal case is pending, my lord.
So what?
Therefore, my lord,
moral
then my lord, if you then one.
I don't understand. If a teacher is engaged himself with some other business, does it not break its service condition?
My lord, yes, obviously, my lord. That is also there.
Even but here, my lord, there is a business. Can you do that?
Cognizable offense, and my lord.
Can you do by yourself any business now?
No, my lord.
So he is engaged with a teacher.
Never.
So that is not sufficient to initiate a.
Therefore, my lord, FIR has been lodged and criminal case is pending.
FIR lost, criminal case is there, but what about any disciplinary proceeding? It stands completely different footing.
It is to be initiated.
Why you have to be made aware? Court will make you aware.
My lord, criminal case should be.
At least give me at least for last 2 years I'm without any. It's not a single farthing, Kindly pass a judicial order, at least.
You will not initiate a disciplinary proceeding. And you will not pay him salary if you will not. He is under suspension. He still.
Yes. But no suspension allowance. It is a mandate under the law, Rule 74.
Yes, my lord. I shall. My lord, I shall come.
And the suspension took place after I was released on bail on 6/1/2023.
I shall come with the my lord.
Something.
Yes. Yes. I shall start the disciplinary.
What if you start now? Start running.
Disciplinary proceedings. I shall.
They will say at the scenes the court said I have started disciplinary proceeding. No. 17/9/2024. Kindly seize the order passed by Justice Sinha. Last 5 consecutive order. Even then, I am without suspension. Kindly pass a judicial order, Millard. Mr. Bhattacharya, my learned esteemed friend, Millard, has come up with an application for addition of party. He has also filed an application, writ petition. Millard, whether he will be added or not, Millard, that is for the court to decide. I will make my submissions. But this will not certainly create an impediment in getting my livelihood, subsistence allowance. I am still in service.
Subsistence allowance may be also attached Because, my lord, it is an attachable, it is a substantive property in terms of the 2030.
I respect his imagination. I respect his imagination.
Imagination.
Perception of law.
Decision is made by whom?
By the
State police or
Police.
state police.
state police?
Kindly sees what is the law, my lord. I respect Mr. Bhattacharya's understanding, my lord.
He has got bail after in custody for how
Of
long?
11/5/2022 to 6/1/2023. More than 7 months. I was released on bail. 8 FIRs. No FIR, no charge sheet says.
Any recovery?
Nothing.
Recovery, my lord, that police can-
Instruction now.
My lord, kindly,
Police can say.
my lord, in the name of
Recovery-
taking instruction, my lord,
Where is the FIR?
my client will die. Because of this
Page, my lord,
procrastination,
39.
in the name of law, my lord, they will consume my client's family and life.
Your client has
He has done.
Initially, I have five families.
Yes,
Your
Criminal
client has
activity-
you people are in power, and that is why you will blame anybody.
No.
By your exuberance, you can't do
No, it
everything.
is not a question of exhibit, it's a right to life.
You have lost. How much you have lost?
The crores of rupees is involved.
Who are you?
My lord, I am one of the persons, my lord, who wants to bring it to your, one of the victims of his, my lord, wrong.
How you have got into entanglement, other robbed
My lord, I seek my lord's kind leave to file a supplementary affidavit, and I will show disclosing his bank account. My lord, kindly receive the account.
How he can
আমাকে ভাই
manage
copy দাও।
A
to
copy,
get
please.
this?
Copy.
I'll kindly look into it. Filed by the Harut
My lord, may I seek my lord's kind leave to file a supplementary affidavit?
And if he is denying on this, তোর আমাকে কপি তো দাও।
হ্যাঁ সবই দেবো তোকে, ইউ আর এন্টাইটেল।
আমার অ্যাকাউন্টের ডিটেইলস তুমি পেয়েছো, মানে তুমি কোন ধরনের লোক তুমি ভেবে দেখো।
হ্যাঁ, কারণ তোর সততা আমাকে
Yes.
দিকে নিয়ে গেছে।
সত্যি দাদা, আমার অ্যাকাউন্টে কি আছে তুমি জানো, আমি জানি না।
এই তো লিস্ট অফ
আর
বেনিফিশিয়ারি
তুমি এসব
গভর্নমেন্ট,
কথা বলছো কোর্টে দাঁড়িয়ে, হ্যাঁ?
গভর্নমেন্টের কাগজ তো,
কি?
সরকারের কাগজ তো।
আমার ব্যাংকে
ইউ পিপল, তাহলে
It is Kamarhat Rural Welfare Society.
Yes.
How you have become a member of that society?
Well, I was a member. This person, my lord, he projected that by investing money in whatever, my lord, funds, my lord, benefits will be reaped. And ultimately it turned out to be a completely fraudulent, my lord, transaction. He has used up with public money, not my money, with people's money.
assuming I am the worst person under the sun, even then can you say in the Kurial combat that I am not entitled to get the substance allowance as an employee?
Yes. Subsistence allowance will be given to you for the purpose of meet the dates of the others.
Yes.
No, that is not the law, my lord, subject to correction.
Yes. Law
Kindly
is
cease.
only you
No,
take.
no. Kindly cease.
You will not give.
My lord, I
My lord,
respect
for
my lord.
2 years, he has been able to sustain himself. It presupposes he has enough money.
আইনটা না দেখে
He has enough money to sustain
kindly
himself.
cease, my lord.
House property. You have got your own house.
বলো ভাই,
No, no.
তোমরা তো বলো। তোমার বাড়ি আছে?
What kind of state you are?
Case is pending before the landed addition.
My lord, kindly do not make any comment sitting in the chair of a constitutional court which will prejudice, my lord, the trial.
Of course not. Of course, Mr. Bose.
He's
Of course,
corruption.
Mr.
Even
Bose.
if, my lord, because
Of course, Mr. Bose. What is the stage of the investigation?
He has right
then
to
my lord,
accept it.
from where he I put this question to myself. He is constantly, they are constantly saying, I have infiltrated the money of the public in the name of financial. Where is the charge sheet? Does it say so?
Charge sheet was filed long ago.
যেটা পাচ্ছেন বলে যাচ্ছেন।
Yes, give me the FIR.
The charge sheet after collection of the,
না, read petition.
I have filed.
my lord, forget about the FIR. Where is the
My lord,
charge
kindly
sheet?
come to,
My lord, for which?
my lord, kindly come to page 44 of the read petition.
Don't put your client in much trouble.
My lord, kindly come to page 44.
I have the police instruction, my lord. I have filed, my lord.
No, the police instruction is not disclosing everything. I want this.
I'll kindly come to the page. My lord, third page, my lord. Fourth page.
আরে ডিটে দেখাও না।
charge sheet টা দেখান।
মানে after charge sheet কপি আমার কাছে কোথায় থাকবে? After completion of investigation,
তোমরা
my lord. মানে এটা file. মানে after submission of
many
charge sheet by the
How many
দরকার হলে আমি
persons
case
named in
record
FIR?
8 charge sheet, my lord.
How many persons named? Who are the other co-accused? No idea, nothing. What is the total amount defalcated?
That is the allegation.
Until trial is complete, every allegation is allegation. Every allegation is allegation. At least you need not remind it to any court. What is this?
Page
Money
26,
defalcated?
80,000 থেকেও প্রত্যেক উপভোক্তা থেকে তো 80,000 টাকা করে নিয়েছে, সেখানে বাবু শোনা আমাদের কাছ থেকে 90,000 টাকা করে নিয়েছে। Kindly see page 26.
Yes. State.
Yes, my lord.
What is the total amount defalcated? Or
Total amount, my lord, is
what is the recovery? Nothing.
In the FIR, my lord, 4,34,000.
What is the sections given for?
420, 406 and 34.
Today, my lord, I am beseeching your lordship, my lord, whatever may be the, my lord, allegation, seriousness, my lord,
And
but I have a
409
right
also
to
there.
get my subsistence allowance.
FIR হয়েছে।
409 120B.
My lord, paragraph number 3, my lord, kindly cease. I have said, my lord, in paragraph number
Total
3,
8 FIRs are there.
but I will tell your lordship the record. GR case number such and such, complaint 420-506 334. Sorry, 34. Page 4 of your lordship's brief of the IPC against 8 accused person, including the petitioner. The petitioner has been granted bail on 24/1/22. GR case number 2542. In respect of complaint, FIR were registered 420-506-34. Paragraph 4, my lord, kindly cease. 3, paragraph 3. I have given the entire details. What are the cases pending against my client? Paragraph, it starts from paragraph 3. There is no dearth of data, my lord. Kindly cease. Then, the petitioner was finally granted enlarged on bail, my lord, on 6/1/2022. The petitioner on 18/1/2023 wrote a representation to the chairman stating the facts regarding his arrest. It is not that the council show motor discovered. Petitioner said that he was arrested. Then, my lord, suspension continued. And my lord, kindly
No,
cease. And my lord, the retrospective suspension order from 2/3.
Deemed suspension.
And I'm reading my complaint. I'm reading my.
He has not been allowed, my lord, as an additional party has filed.
ব্যাংক অ্যাকাউন্ট লাগিয়ে দিচ্ছ তুমি আমাকে অ্যালাউ করবে না?
Mr. Bhattacharya. DPSC, what is your reaction? Your teacher is engaged in this kind of business.
And therefore, my lord, all these FIRs, he was in custody, my lord, for more than 6
Custody
months,
will
7
do.
months.
Custody will do. You like to keep
Then,
this kind of
my lord,
business in your role.
My lord, kindly, my lord,
They-
kindly,
DPSC
my lord,
has-
have the
my lord,
charity to
only-
consider everyone is presumed to be innocent.
এই কাজ করছে না কেন?
So,
tomorrow চলো।
And a day after tomorrow, my lord. There are so many records, my lord.
আমার কমপ্লেনটা পড়ো।
PIDEF, DFE.
this is the act. The West Bengal Protection of Interest of Depositors in Financial Establishment is a financial establishment, basic concept. They are saying,
Can you run this kind of company being a teacher?
does your lordship, my lord, I put this question to myself, does the court, my lord, have this record showing that I represent a financial institution? Well, from this court, no, what FIR? FIR is a many information. What is the collection of evidence? Is it culminated with the charge sheet?
That will
That
be
these are the evidences?
trial.
That is the FIR.
Yes.
FIR lodged.
FIR lodged.
Suppose an allegation that you are involved.
Allegation maybe,
Wait,
yes.
don't be overzealous. An allegation of that a teacher is involved in rather a financial business. An allegation, FIR lodged. Will not the DPSC inquire into the matter independently whether the teacher is actually involved in that case or
If
not?
suppose this has not been done, it is
This has not been. That is why I am inquiring it.
and then I have been subjected to this. I put this question.
No. That is
For
what.
this, I have to run this court for 2 years. My lord,
For what? For what? What do you want?
I want a substance allowance, basic right.
Let them inquire into that.
And till then, I will not be given.
Of course they will. If they do not do it, it's their lapses.
So this is the state has become it's an atrocious act on the part of the state.
What is this?
Anti-employer
Why you have not
state.
taken any action upon that
Anti-employer
this time, last 3 years? Last 3 years, what you are doing so far?
My lord, he was suspended.
Suspension will do only.
My lord, and my lord, DPSC has what more DPSC only thing
You
is
are
that,
the
my lord,
authority to
my lord,
initiate the
initiate the
proceeding.
disciplinary proceedings.
Huh?
Only thing is that, my
Who is
lord,
investigating this case?
And a police authority, my lord.
Which police authority? Which police station?
My lord, Harut Point Coastal PS.
Ask that I have to be present before me.
My lord, matter is pending before the learned additional district judge 7th court Alipur, my lord.
Forget about it.
আয়োগে আসতে
Why? Why?
আচ্ছা,
Why this laxity? Why not this investigation is running fast? This report shows nothing. It's narration of fact only. What is the allegation? How much money has been
2,75,000 from each farmer. I'll just read it. FIR correct, incorrect is for the police. আমি সুধাংশু, my applicant. সাধারণ স্যার, আমার বিনীত নিবেদন এই যে রাজ্যের মাননীয় মুখ্যমন্ত্রীর দায়িত্ব আসার পর দক্ষিণ চব্বিশ পরগনায় ফল সবজি ও পান বরজের জন্য উৎসাহী দরিদ্র চাষীদের হর্টিকালচারাল বিভাগের মাধ্যমে অর্থ প্রদানের সিদ্ধান্ত নিয়েছিলেন। দক্ষিণ চব্বিশ পরগনা জেলার অন্যান্য ব্লকের মতো কাকদ্বীপ ব্লকেও মধুসূদনপুর সহ কয়েকটি গ্রাম পঞ্চায়েতের এই পরিকল্পনা গ্রহণ করা হয়েছিল, কারণ মধুসূদনপুর সহ অন্যান্য গ্রাম পঞ্চায়েতের মাটি গুণগত মান অনুযায়ী পান বরজ খুব ভালো হয়। সেভাবে আমাদের স্থানীয় এনজিও কামারহাট রুরাল ওয়েলফেয়ার সোসাইটির সম্পাদক শ্রী সুধাংশু কুমার, দ্যাট ইজ দ্য রিট পিটিশনার ব্র্যাকেট বাবুসোনা, তিনি তার সংস্থায় আমাদের মতো দরিদ্র চাষীদের আহ্বান করেছেন, যেখানে তিনি বিষয়গুলি জানাবেন এবং আমরা উৎসাহিত হব। তিনি একদিন সময় করে আলিপুর হর্টিকালচারাল অফিসে আমাদেরকে নিয়ে সেখানে গিয়ে জানতে পারি প্রত্যেক চাষিকে 2,75,000 টাকা করে অনুদান দেবে। আলিপুর হর্টিকালচারাল অফিসে তৎকালীন ডিরেক্টর একে গুপ্ত বলেন, আপনারা দরিদ্র কৃষিজীবী মানুষ, আপনাদের অ্যাকাউন্টে টাকা গেলে আপনারা নষ্ট করে দেবেন, তাতে সরকারের উদ্দেশ্য পূরণ হবে না, বরং আপনারা এলাকার কোনো নির্ভরযোগ্য এনজিও কে দিয়ে এই কাজ করানো যেতে পারে। সে মতো তিনি বলেন, আমাদের অ্যাকাউন্টে টাকা যাওয়ার পর কামারহাট রুরাল ওয়েলফেয়ার সোসাইটি ওই টাকা চেকের মাধ্যমে আপনাদের কাছ থেকে নেবেন এবং দরিদ্র কৃষকের পান বরজ তৈরি করে দেবেন। শ্রী সুধাংশু কুমারের এনজিওর আমাদের নাম লেখায় এবং আলোচনার মতো স্বাক্ষর করা চেক ও পাস বই তুলে দিন, কিন্তু টাকা তুলে দেওয়ার পরেও আমাদের পান বরজ করে দেয়নি। বারে বারে তাকে আমরা অনুনয় বিনয় করেছি, বরজ না করায় আমি জেলা হর্টিকালচারাল বিভাগে যাই, আমাকে আশ্বাস দেওয়া হয় এবং শ্রী সুধাংশু কুমারকে বরজ করার জন্য নির্দেশ দেওয়া হয়, কিন্তু কোনো শোনা হলো না। স্থানীয়ভাবে বিডিও অফিসের কাছে আবেদন করা হয়েছে, কিন্তু কোনো সদুত্তর মেলেনি, কারণ শ্রী সুধাংশু কুমার একজন প্রভাবশালী নেতা, তার সামনে দাঁড়িয়ে কথা বলার সাহস তার আছে। অতএব মহাশয়, যাতে গরিব মানুষের সরকারি অনুদানের সরকারি টাকা শ্রী সুধাংশু কুমারের জালিয়াতির কবল থেকে আমি এবং আমার মতন গরিব পান চাষী মুক্ত পাই, সেই জন্য ব্যবস্থা নেওয়া হোক। দিস ইজ মাই complaint to the officer in charge, Harut Point Police Station, on the basis of which, Milord, case under 409, 120B ITC was initiated. And
It is at, yes, it is at page 72.
an FIR was also registered.
My lord, one FIR is at page
Your lordship has
39.
allowed him to read. Allowed him to read this. I'm grateful.
Then, Milord, it's for the police. The police is taking. We have only come so that, Milord, to get ourselves included in the writ petition, because in the event this subsistence allowance or whatever, in the light of section 5 of that particular act, Milord, it is an attachable property. That Milord, subsistence allowance, the entirety of it can be even attached by the state, Milord, to recover the defalcated amount. Because, Milord, that
What remains? He was teacher for how long?
2021.
Milord, I'll just
2010. Sorry.
I'll just give you.
14 years.
So he
14
must have other
Yes, he may be. That I do not.
money.
I'll ascertain.
Your lordship has allowed him to read.
Tomorrow I'll ascertain.
No, your lordship has allowed him to read. But may I submit one thing? Your lordship has allowed him to say many things without Milord looking into the. He did not read this for your lordship's consideration.
এটা কাল করে আছে।
This is my supplementary, which I sought leave. It says, Milord, the mission director at SHM director, they received the money, they distributed among the. There was no transaction of the money with my bank account. So there is, where is the?
এটা primary
Suppose that is why it is the allegation. You have to prove yourself innocence in the criminal court. I am on the point of DPSC.
So, Milord, so far as my subsistence allowance, Milord, he says
that depends upon the DPSC's action.
DPSC, I have come
Would
with
like
you.
to like to file the supplementary affidavit.
I filed this today. I sought for leave. I'm signing.
Supplementary affidavit.
My lord, kindly consider matter is pending for the additional district judge. Charge sheet was submitted. Trial is going on, my lord. I do not know, my lord. I will inform them. I do not know, my lord, whether the records will be
I do
available or
not
not.
want record. I want the status report of that.
Yes, yes.
That I will
All
give
right.
you.
If it is not, then what to do? You know that very well.
Yes. But so far as my
Status
part is
report.
concerned, Milord,
And Mr. Saha,
My lord,
you come with the instruction, clear instruction,
Lordship.
what you propose to do.
lordship,
and so far as subsistence, Milord,
that will be
All will
there,
come.
your money is
One
there.
after another. Day after
for 2
tomorrow,
years I have spent.
ঠিক আছে।
day after tomorrow, gather more material.
I shall.
Come with the
100%.
material.
Kindly
I shall 100%.
day after tomorrow, my lord. And tomorrow is
Day after tomorrow.
Milord, if he gets material, Milord, he has not been implemented. Ask Milord, kindly decide whether he has a right to be implemented.
So what right he can derive from here?
What is, Milord, his right in this proceeding based on the act? He has not placed the act also so far.
So if he can demonstrate that the subsistence allowance,
Substance allowance can be attached fast under this act. Kindly go through the act, Milord. I want to confront his understanding, Milord, of the act.
bring all materials that, and DPSC take a clear stand
Lordship,
that what you intend to do with this teacher.
No, Milord,
Lordship.
can he place a stand? I'm not clear. That will he say that he will not give the substance
What
allowance?
will say, I don't know.
No,
Let
I
him
am
come.
before your lordship's court.
Mr. Bose, let him say his own say. Don't try to preempt his submission. I asked him Clear your stand.
I have prayed before your
Clear,
lordship.
clear your stand. What
My
you
lord.
like to do.